Guys, I just came across something on the Nokia 6.1 Plus. I don't know if you guys have been facing this issue or not, but I have friends who are facing the same issue. There's this charging issue on the phone. Whenever I connect a charger to my phone and after some time or when the phone moves, it stops charging. It stops charging anyhow. And then after some time you have to again rearrange your charger. Again arrange, and you will see that you get the charging sign. And again it is gone. A little movement and it is gone. That is the problem I've been facing on the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Here you can see that again and again it shows charging and suddenly the charging stops. Don't have a look at this because this sign does not indicate charging, and here you can see again the charging is gone. Now you have to rearrange the charger again and then the charging starts. I'm really facing this issue since the last week now, and I have to do something about it. I have friends who have been facing the same issue on their Nokia 6.1 Plus as well. I don't know if this issue is limited only to the Nokia 6.1 Plus or to other phones as well, because I have been facing the same issue on my Nokia 6.1 Plus. So I think that the only solution to this is going to a service center. So guys, this was a quick video on a charging issue that I have on the Nokia 6.1 Plus. Do let me know if you use a Nokia 6.1 Plus and have you been facing this issue. My device is only 5 months old, do remember that. That's pretty much it. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.